Hello, everybody, and look who it is. It is our good friend, the Mighty Mage. Just haven't recorded the Mage in a little while, so I just thought I would continue the little series I've got going with him, just to kind of update where the Mage is at. Obviously, he's level 42. Um, got our mount. Got a couple of quests that I'm looking to wrap up, I think, here in the Stranglethorn Vale area. So, and make sure I've got two spots in my quest log that I can fill up. So, I think there is. I have to figure out which ones I can do. Yeah, that's a. I'm not gonna do that one. What about this one? Seawolf McKinley.
Greetings.
Stoli and Steamweedle.
See you later.
Go ahead and take that one. I might do that. I think the one I specifically want is this one down here because it's just a kill quest for, I think, items off of some Naga in the area.
What can I do for you?
Yeah. Says you're looking for work, Jason. I might have some if you're up for a little challenge. I got a friend named Groy who makes a killing selling what the Naga call a curious reed. Some kind of valuable ocean reed. Not too sure what it's for, but he pays well for bundles of the stuff. You bring me 10 stalks of the stuff and we'll have business to do. The Naga were last seen along the beach to the north of here.
See you around.
And I think I can knock this out along with... Let me see. Nope. No, the Naga are there. I was thinking they were further up the coast because I still have to go to this little island over here to do the elemental water bracers, but I do also have these tusks, these splinter tusks, these skull splitter tusks to collect. So we'll see. Really like to get my character out to Tannerus pretty soon at 42. I don't want to out-level those things, but I really would like to get these quests completed as well. That's still... I just wish it's the one little frustration I have with the game. I think a lot of people do is I wish the quests were laid out a little bit more fluid, in that you could kind of stay in an area. The game is kind of designed at a certain point to basically make you go all over the place. And I wish there was a little bit more of a fluid design. Like, so I'm in Stranglethorn Vale. It's a big continent. Why can't we just do things in Stranglethorn Vale, period? You know, like from one end of the continent to the other. Just why can't we have a little bit more consistency to where we're having to go to complete quests and whatnot? But, you know, the game is designed the way it's designed for a reason, so... Can I get to where I need to get by going this way? Maybe. We'll see. Maybe not. Oh, I think so. It's gonna... Yeah. Popping up on these guys over here. Probably should have just come this way to begin with. Yeah, because there's yeah, some blood sail pirates over in this area. So we'll get over here. Yeah, there's the Naga. So let's go ahead and make our drinks. Oh yeah, I forgot. I've got new bread and water. Okay, not too sure what that guy was doing. He fought one thing and then kind of beat it. Oh, these things are 40. Am I going to be able to fight these things? Well, it's one way to find out. My mage is a little bit OP, so we'll see what happens. No thanks, dude. I got it. What the heck is he doing? Oh, he must be observing. I was worried about my mana consumption, but it's at 43. I might be able to nuke him down before it becomes an issue. Might be okay. See, I need to start getting some of the quest items though, because I've killed 2 of them and I haven't got one single thing yet. But that is kind of typical. Over here, life root. Look at me. I haven't even buffed up a single thing yet. Let's get a little bit more water, some more bread. And let's drink back up. Top that mana off. I only had 8 seconds left to go anyway. Oh, fantastic. Yeah, I missed with my Frost Nova, I guess. Now he's going to resist everything. Of course. Hey, no quest items. All right.
It's too far away.
Frostbite for the win. Yes, love it. Frostbite at the beginning really helped. Hey, there we go. It's really funny. You'll sit and play these games, and you know I get why the random number generator why Blizzard has that in place for this version of World of Warcraft. I mean, they just want you to play the game. I mean, they want you to be able to enjoy the game, and by having a random number generate, tell you whether or not you're going to be able to complete a quest, just kind of guarantees that it'll stretch out your gameplay a little bit. It does sometimes get infuriating because you feel like you're never going to get anything. Like, you sit there and you kill 18 enemies and you don't get anything to drop. But then sometimes once they drop it, it kind of seems like they start dropping a little bit more frequently. Just, it's fantastic. He's dead anyway. Oh, of course he resisted that. Oh, crit with my wand. Excellent. But, and then you start getting drops, and then before you know it, you're getting a drop every time. And then it goes through another little dry spell, it seems. Resisting everything. What in the heck is the deal? Right. Thanks, buddy. Some arcane missiles that you can't resist because I got 100% resist.
I'm out of range.
Good grief. Good grief. Everything. Oh, got a pearl. Nice. Black pearl. See how this goes. 40% mana should be good. As long as it doesn't resist every freaking thing I throw at him. That helps. Yeah. Got anything for me there, buddy? Yeah, you do. Another clam? Nah. I gotta tell you, I've been focusing a lot of time playing this character, obviously, as you can tell by the level. But, the game, to me, I enjoy playing the game with basically any class, honestly. But to me, the mage is just so fun, and I'm more familiar with the mage. And I think what I'll do is once I get kind of deep into my playthroughs on my two playthroughs, what I would call my true playthroughs that I'm doing right now with the warrior and the hunter, is it may do a true mage playthrough because it's so fun to do. We'll see how things work. We'll see how things progress. Wasted a frost nova. I do that from time to time, but that's okay. Just to be able to get him. Oh, frostbite for the win. Twice in a row. Let's go. That was big time. Frost Nova on the first thing, or frostbite on the first try. Die. Okay, now die. Only got 3 of the Curious Reeds. Actually, I'm going to move that down here. I might see what that'll bring. If that's going on the auction house. We'll see. That sucks. Can I get them with this?
I can't cast that yet.
Yeah. Nope. Unfortunately, I didn't take my map out wide enough to see what was coming. That was on me. It's okay. Live to tell about it. God, I need some bread. It's new bread, so I'm not making it at a very high clip. I'll take cue from my guy and drink as well. And we're back here. I figure I'd mute while I'm getting a drink of sun drop there so I don't gulp in your ears. Okay.
I need to get closer.
Yeah, of course you do. Oh, good. At least I got something for my effort. Got that sucker rammed in.
Something first.
Fish oil. I think fish oil will sell for a pretty good chunk of change too, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if I just let my mana regen build up naturally. Especially since this is a 44, I'll make sure I have a little bit more mana. Of course it resisted. Where you going, buddy? Up there where I can't loot you? Got it. Nice. Oh, respawns. Now I definitely got a drink. Probably gonna have to call for a spell or a potion.
That spell. I need more mana.
Got away with that one, but man, that respawn killed me. Respawned right on top of my head. Okay, let's try and get some mana back here. Glad I had those potions. A couple of people on tonight, but nobody in the guild. Okay. Now the question question becomes, is it worth throwing on my mage armor so I can get mana regen?
It's too far away.
Just keep on moving. Nothing to see here.
I need to get closer.
Ah, I did it again. I frost novaed him too much. He didn't have anything left by the time he came out of his deep sleep. Dang. That's quite a shield, and it's not even a special shield. It's just a white shield. It's a pretty good shield. Oh, 32 mana. Let's see what happens. Probably can get him on the ground. It's just gonna cause him to beat the crap out of me with his stick. Pitchfork or trident, whatever he has. I guess a trident. Yeah, just resist all the wanting.
It's too far
Come
away.
on. That's a little bit too much. Well, at least I got the item to drop. It was a little bit ridiculous. I think I will switch, actually, just to see what happens. Just, oh, give me a break. An incandescent pearl, okay. Resisting does kind of laugh. say,
I
he'll
need to get
resist that one.
closer.
I knew it. I knew that would happen. Bonus. Wand. Just, whenever. Well, that was weird. Just to clan meat. And it seems to be doing a little bit better. Yeah, that did a little bit better. Seems like I went through like about 4 pulls or so without having to dip into my mana. Of course, you can see the difference in the health meter because that mage armor does not protect you for nothing. Pretty much all it does is it just increases your resistances and allows 30% of your mana regeneration to continue while casting. So it's not any armor, whereas the ice armor increases your armor by 380 and your frost resistance by 9. And then if you get an enemy that hits you while you have the ice armor on, it slows their movement by 30%. And because it's a frost attack, it can actually cause them to get frostbite, which is kind of a bonus. But at least it does the slowdown effect primarily, which is good if you're trying to evade. Big resist there. Put it in frostbite. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, seriously. Goodness. And here we've got another dead spot here with the items not dropping. That's just lovely. There we go. 8 of 10. Come on, let's bring it home. Put him in frostbite again. Moonberry juice.
I'm out of range.
Are you kidding me? Evade. Please die. gracious. It's another good one. It's a basic one. Man. That, boy, I tell you what, if I didn't give me the frost damage, man, I would swap out. That is a pretty awesome wand. That's just a standard, regular old wand. Oh, there's a dude right there. It's 43. Let's let that mana build back up just a little bit. Let's drink the moonberry juice and have some bread. Got some mage weave, got some silk. Got some silk, bolt of silk cloth. That's good stuff right there. Sure we don't do the same thing again. We get caught with our britches down around our ankles. We get rightly screwed by the game.
I don't have a target.
Okay. Come on. God bless America. Come on, Blizzard. Do me a solid.
It's too far away.
Oh, got some competition now. Oh, God. It's just amazing. Resist.
I need to get closer.
No, I don't. That was good. That worked out. Come on, give me number 9. Oh, thank you. Oh, Lord. Oh, I got some fish. Can't see anything. It's not good. Okay, come on. Got number 9. Let's get number 10. Take it home. I'll go ahead and turn this one back in because this is just literally right here. Come on. Get. Got it. Yeah. All right. Now, can we safely navigate back around without aggroing every single blood cell buccaneer around. Nope. Maybe he won't get me. I should be okay. Should be okay. Alright, my guy's right around the corner here.
You need something?
If you got no business with me, then move along. Yeah, I'll shove it up your butt. Well done. 10 stalk of Carrie's Reed wasn't too much challenge after all, huh? No offense to the Naga, but hey, everybody's got to make a living. Yeah. That's interesting. I might take that because I do still... Well, I might equip that, I guess I'm saying. Since I got you here, I got a message from Roy while you were gone. He mentioned being satisfied with the last shipment that arrived and has a client that wants some more of the stuff right away. I won't be heading to Theramore for a week, but if you're willing to make the journey, there's no reason you can't take the stuff from me. Feeling adventurous? You do know where Dustwallow Marsh is, don't you? I'd be careful though. Theramore can be dangerous if you're the wrong kind of crowd.
Have a good one.
I'll just run that over. Right over to Theramore. Do I need to fly there? Yep, because it's on the other continent. I mean, I need to take a boat there. That's what I meant to say. Just wish we could mount up here. Seems kind of weird that we can't. The boat just in time. Nice relaxing boat ride over to Theramore. Hopefully nothing too exciting happens. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my little gnome warrior and my what will be my new night elf walkthrough. I've really been enjoying the engineering on the warrior, and it's something different again, like I had never really done an engineering before ever on World of Warcraft in any version. So that was kind of neat to do. And I've played a warrior, but I've not really hardcore played a warrior. Again, my primary loves are the mage, warlock, kind of warlock, since warlock was my first ever character. And I really come to appreciate the hunter. I never really gave hunter a good play until they actually came out with the Burning Crusade, and blood elves could be hunters. So I gave a blood elf hunter a try, and that was probably the character that I've got the highest. I remember getting him through the portal and over into Hellfire Peninsula and all of that stuff when the first Burning Crusade Classic hit. And I think he's the one that I got to level 55 for the for Wrath of the Lich King, which was when they introduced, I think, when they introduced the demon, what are they? Now I can't remember what they were. Death Knights. The Death Knights. Which anybody could be a Death Knight, but you had to have a character that was at least level 55. Because the Death Knights thing was that they started out at level 55. It had a really wild story about how they came to be, but that will be interesting to see if that one comes around with Wrath of the Lich King. But here we are, on the other side of the world, almost quite literally. Going into Ratchet, we'll just take a quick little boat ride down here to, or a quick flight down to Theramore. I might even, since I'm here, I might even go to Steamweedle, knock that other quest out. Those are they're just breadcrumbs, but again, it's all part of the game taking you all over the place here in higher levels. You know, your first, like, through level 20, pretty much you're pretty linear. I mean, like, you start out as a human in the Abbey, and then you go into Elwyn Forest, and from Elwyn you go into Westfall, and then from Westfall you kind of go then over to Lakeshire, with a brief stopover in Dunmorrow, because you do have the Stormpike quest that takes you there. But I mean, after that, man, it's like God knows where you're going.
Yo! Hurry back!
Another gentleman that I follow has been talking on his live streams about how he wishes Warcraft would get back to Azeroth. And if you don't follow the retail version of the game, I don't know, it's lost something. It's not in Azeroth anymore. You're in the Shadowlands and fighting this thing, the Jailer, which is like retroactively been put into lore. And I mean, it's like there's people like Azeroth, and I would be all for playing a game called Warcraft Azeroth, where it basically brings you back to Azeroth. New quests, I mean, do the same areas, but I mean, there's lots of stories, there's lots of things you could do. I mean, start out with new quests and give us quest chains that have a nice story and a conclusion, and like quest rewards that make sense. Like if you're a mage, don't give me a mail helm. I mean, give me like some cloth that I can use. But anyway, that's just, you know, never happened. It should happen, and I'm sure it's something that they've probably considered or thought of, but it will never happen. Of course, never thought they would have classic servers back, and here we are. So, what do we know? Oh, guy's right here. That worked out.
You need something?
Yeah. What? Got a lot better things to do than talk to the likes of you, Mage. Make it worth my while or get out of my face. Huh? Blode sent you, huh? Well, what do you got for me? Private Roy looks over the bundle carefully. Not bad at all. Another bundle will make my client quite happy. I suppose your next question's gonna be about money, huh? Of course it is. Here, take this coin and some advice. Get off my docks.
Safe travels.
What a jerk. Jerk alert.
Well met. Keep your feet on the ground.
I got 19 or 20. See, I've still got these. Like this one needs to be. Oh, that's an elite. It's not marked as elite, but Sindal, I'm pretty sure is an elite. I have to check that. But this is not an elite quest. I can finish this. The second Troll Legend, that one is elite. It's guarded by some elites underwater. Panther Mastery obviously is marked elite. Skull Splitter Tusks I can get. Voodoo Doos, those guys were about 45 and up. They were pretty tough. Zanzil's mixture is kind of in the same area. And then these Blood Cell Buccaneers, I can possibly do them. They're on boats that thankfully aren't underwater. I just think they're like higher level. There's 45. The level of the quest is 45. And then, of course, my couple of mage quests. Jarl needs a blade. I think this requires me literally going and buying him a Moonsteel broadsword. So, we'll see. We will see. Music seems a little loud. Guess I'll see when I listen to this playback if this video is worth putting out with the volume, but hopefully it is. Had some fun tonight. Been playing the Mage quite a bit. I've just not taken the time to do any recording because of the haphazard nature with which I've had to play. But I knew tonight that I had a couple of things that I could kind of complete and would make sense to kind of complete them in a particular order. So I just decided to go ahead and do it. And just kind of show the progress that I've made on the Mage, since it's been a while since I put a Mage video out. I feel like if I can get about 3 or 4 videos out each week, I'm doing good, because that's just my schedule. There are people that put 2 or 3 videos out a day, and I just don't get it. I mean, I do, but it's not anything that I could ever do. But I love this music. I just, for whatever reason, I just love this, the ambiance and the music of this zone. Okay. Down to the port we go and see if there's anything. There's some quests down there. We'll just have to see how they work, how they pan out. Don't know if there's anything I can do right now. I would really, like I said, I would really like to be finished with Stranglethorn. But with those elite quests, it's hit or miss. But things are a whole lot easier now that we have our mount, which that's, you know, I'm thankful for that. That's that. Interesting. I guess there's probably a quest for that. I'm pretty much at level with the mobs here. I don't know. It may be worth... So there's so many quests that kind of go together. Like there's a lot of these Waste Wander quests which involve killing these mobs that I think are over there. And there's like rogues and warlocks, and there's a named guy that you have to get. And then there's a pirate cove where you have to go and kill pirates and collect hats, and you know, there's a lot of stuff that you can kind of do like together. And that's kind of why I was wanting to wait, because I would like to be able to just bundle everything and do it all at once, but we'll see if that's possible. Alright, let's see here. Stoli.
Hey there.
Ah, so you've been speaking with McKinley, have you? It's not what he thinks. I'm not afraid to give him some Stingweedle Bilge rum. I just don't have any rum to give him.
See you around.
I owe Seawolf McKinley and Booty Bay some rum to settle a bet, but I'm all out of rum. Captain Cuergo stole my last shipment, and has it stowed in that walled pirate town to the south. See, this is the one I was talking about. So it's this quest, and there's like 3 or 4 others. If you can find my shipment of rum and return it to me, then I can prove to McKinley that Kalimdor booze beats the dirt out of Booty Bay. So we'll not accept that right now. Let's see, here's the other.
Hey, how you doing?
Pirates. Find them in Lost River Cove. He wants us to 10 South Sea Pirates, 10 South Sea Freebooters.
Be good.
So I'll decline that one because I don't have enough, because there's that one. And I think there's one more. It's like the weirdest quest. Pirate hats. Yeah, this person wants you to collect pirate hats.
Time is money, friend.
20 South Sea pirate hats. So
If you
those
ever
all
need
run together.
anything.
There's a wanted poster there. And then Screecher Spirits. I don't know what this guy, this might be
Hello,
what I could do. Greetings, Mage. Through time and drink, though time and drink have dulled my outer senses, my inner eyes remain strong. I seek the spirits of the veiled screechers of Feralus. Nope. Not going to Feralus there, buddy. So anyway, well, that wraps up things, I think, for this evening. Was hoping that maybe there would be something that we could kind of continue down here, but doesn't look like it. Not yet. We're very close. But anyway, we will be doing some more videos in the coming days. I'll be on the Mage. I'll be on the Hunter. I'll be on the Warrior. And I appreciate you guys for being on this journey with me. If you've got any questions, comments, concerns, just let me know. Give me a like and a subscribe. Those are the things that YouTube likes to see, and I do too. So until the next episode, you guys take care.